so special. I knew I wanted to make a Beanie Baby cake like several weeks ago, and then I thought about it and I'm like, I haven't really seen someone create a Beanie Baby out of fondant that I have seen, other than like the new age kind of Beanie Babies. So I knew I wanted to do something special. So this is a heart-shaped cake here, and I decided to go with a gold board because the little Beanie Baby tag has gold on the trim. So I have that, and then a heart-shaped cake, and it's kind of a fairly simple cake because I didn't want to just take away from the actual figurine, fondant figurine. So you guys probably saw that, which was really cool. I put it up yesterday. I just couldn't wait. I wanted to show you guys. So what I have is my handy dandy Ziploc bag here with some red frosting, and I'm just going to go along the side of the cake, and I just wanted to frost it today in front of you guys so you all can see. I know I normally have my cakes frosted ahead of time these days, but since I did a lot of the fondant work off camera, I figured I would do a lot of this on camera. So I'm just going around my cake and squeezing it here. You don't want to put too much frosting on the side because then you'll get a gloopy mess. So I'm just putting a little bit, and I'm just going to go through and smooth it out. Okay. So here, I put the frosting all around, and I'm going to take my offset spatula and just make it nice and smooth here. And just take it like this and just go around and just smooth it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Just go around and get the red to cover over the white. And this is a definite saver of your time and saver of, you know, your coloring. Because sometimes, I'll tell you what, food coloring is expensive. Food coloring, when you're getting into gels and stuff like that, if you're a cake decorator, I know you know what I'm talking about. So if you do most of your cake in white, and then you just put a layer of the color on top, you save yourself a whole lot of money that way too. Okay, so now, just going around, just trying to cover the white, guys. Nothing crazy right now. I'm just trying to cover it up with the red. So here, the cake is now covered, which is, yay, a really good thing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this guy over here, my bench scraper here, and I'm just going to go around and just try to smooth it, okay? Not a lot of pushing. You're just going to be pulling it and gliding it across the cake. We're just doing a very simple heart here, very simple. And if you see any little spots or anything, don't worry. I'm just going to go through and do another once over. Okay, and on the top here too, you can also get some plastic, what's the paper called? Acetate paper? Yeah, I'm looking at Auntie Sophia. That paper is really nice because it's bendable, and when you're trying to sculpt onto like something that's more like a rounded cake, it's really nice because then you don't have to worry about it staying straight. It'll actually bend and conform to the object that you're trying to make smooth. Same thing here, I'm just going around and just trying to get it to be nice and smooth. I'm not worrying about trying to make the heart super crisp edges or anything. I'm just trying to get like the heart design. And I really want it to look more like a simple, more of a simple look to the heart. Okay, so now we're going to take our open star tip with some white frosting, and I'm going to add some pretty little ruffles here just along the base of the heart, because our little guy, his name is Valentino, and he's all about the heart, so that's why we're doing this guy here. Just wanted to pick a character who kind of represented the Beanie Babies as a whole. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of some gold around the bottom here, just on top of the white, trim. Okay. All right, and now on the top of the heart here, I'm going to add some more swirls. I think I'd like to do a little bit of just that same kind of border that's on the bottom slope. So I'm just adding some nice swirls. They're all going every which way. Okay, so here, I think I'm just going to finish it out with the same swirl pattern. And just one more. Okay. All right. And I'm going to add some more glitter here too. Some nice gold. And I kind of want it to get onto the red just a little bit here. Okay. All right, awesome. What to take too much away from this little guy here. I'm going to show him to you. This is Valentino, the little TY fondant beanie baby. Completely made out of fondant. Okay, guys, and he's so cute. He's adorable because, I don't know, like who doesn't love beanie babies? Some of you guys who collected them for money are probably like, me! But I think they're so cute. So I'm just putting him right in the center there, around the little heart. And doesn't that just look awesome? It just makes me so happy. He's like so adorable. I had like the idea of doing like, you know, is it Iggy or Izzy or one of those two? I forget his name. Anyway, the tie-dye iguana, I was gonna do him. Or other ones, but then I thought, oh, let me just keep it simple and cute. And I don't know if you'll be able to eat the bear. You might want to just keep him. I don't know. It's up to you. He's totally edible, but you know, I don't know. Some people like to keep things for keepsake. So anyway, this is the tie-dye cake. I hope you all enjoyed watching. So I love you guys so much. Y'all are amazing, and I'll see you next week. Bye.